beneficial, created and destroyed of this whole universe. Honorable Headmaster, respected teachers, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. As you all know that today is the most important day for us. On this beautiful occasion, I want to say something for my teachers. So my dear listeners, keep silence and give me your ears. Just like every year, this year also we are gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Every year, the 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. In India, commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. As a teacher, Vice President and Secretary President of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan made an immense contribution to the country. On this special occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes and greetings to my all teachers gathered here and all those who helped me to attain success in my life. As we all know that it is impossible to define a teacher. As a teacher are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academies, but also helping to take right path. They add value to our characters. They make us ideal citizens for the country. Secondly, teachers are our second parents. Teachers play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring us. Every student tries to imitate their teachers and consider them as a role model. After parents, teachers take a responsibility of modeling a child's character at each and every step. Therefore, it is our utmost duty to visit our teachers. Today, in recognition of their untold efforts, let us take time to pay honor and admire all their contribution in elevating us. Thank you, teachers, for your invaluable efforts and guidance. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, the great teacher tells, the great teacher inspires. Wishing you joy and happiness. You are an amazing teachers and you only deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle to my life. I am deeply thankful that you are my teachers. Books, supports, homework and knowledge. You are the pillar of our success. And in the classroom, you are the best and you are our best friends. Because of you, I have come to love. You gave me the strength I need to take the next step towards my dream. I am so grateful. You are my teachers. Thank you for emboldening me. Your positivity and encouragement brightened my days. Thank you.